I've got an airline flight this afternoon. It's going to be windy.
Yeah, it looks windy, so it'll be a little bit of a rocky start, I think, as long as you take off on time. But I know you actually don't mind that.
No, it lulls me to sleep.
Exactly.
Yes, on a plane, I don't care a few bumps.
Get one of those funny pillows and a little mask. You'll be just fine. Yeah, but the wind really is starting to crank already, and that's going to be an issue through the course of the day. I will not be shocked if we ended up seeing a couple of power outages out there, too. So much more to get to with that. But let's just take a look at the system in its entirety first at a much wider zoom. It's a pretty well-organized storm system, guys. We've got an area of low pressure rolling through the Great Lakes right across the Canadian border. And the warm front lifted through yesterday. That's what brought about all that really dreary weather. Now you've got the trailing cold front nudging east, and that's what's bringing about these showers. Not finding any Doppler indicated lightning yet, but we don't want to rule out a heavier thunderstorm with this, especially in places where that sun is breaking through a little bit more readily. But once this front gets through, the wind really starts to whip out there. Our severe weather threat is relatively minimal, but we do sit in a marginal risk across at least the eastern half of our area. More of a slight risk as you go into the southern Delmarva Peninsula, but wind really is the big ticket item here. So let's talk more about that and get more specific. Sustained winds could peak as high as 30 miles per hour, but gusts could peak as high as 60 miles per hour. And certainly that could lead to some downed tree limbs or some wires. So we've got to worry about power outages as a result of this. It's not a guarantee, but it certainly is a potential for the area for the rest of the day. Now, I want to show you a couple of different storms that are going to come through here. So here is the current setup. And this is the frontal boundary that's crossing through this afternoon. This should be clear, guys, by the time the kids are getting out of school. So the wind by that point is really the issue. For now, you do have some showers out there. We'll show you a camera shot of that. Tomorrow around noontime, Villanova is going to be marching down Market Street, and it looks as though the sky's totally clear. But it'll be chilly, which you'll see in the 7-day. Then come Friday, yeah, it looks like there will be the potential, at least, for some snow showers. I don't expect this to amount to much, but we may be waking up to some more flakes on Friday and then again on Saturday from a separate system. So this is like the winter that just will not give up, but give me until next weekend. I think about that point, we'll start to finally see a moderation. Now, here's a look out in our live neighborhood network. The telltale drops hitting those little puddles. This is from Place One Apartments in Plymouth Meeting. Off in the distance, we've got Mid-County interchange out this way. You can actually make out the far distance here in the hills. You couldn't see anything, even just beyond the edge of the building earlier this morning. So the fog has obviously lifted, but now you've got the rain moving through. The temperature change, though, we have hit a serious surplus here in the last 24 hours. 25 degrees warmer. That translates to 67 at the airport, even warmer further to the south. Quick check on that Villanova forecast. The sun will be shining, but you've got to bundle up. And a quick check then on the 7-day. We're looking ahead to a chilly day tomorrow, but at least some sunshine both for Nova and Phil's opening day. We're coming right back.